Hi, this is Jim. I just want to show you our latest release in products. This is the Magnitude Otter Landscape Transformer. A really nice product. It comes in 150 watts and 300 watts. The one thing that you're going to see right off the bat is this thing is built to the highest of standards. It's a solid product. Even from the latches, when you unlatch this, you can see that we didn't waste any expense in putting the best products or best features together for making this product. You open the door here, you're going to be able to see inside the transformer. One nice thing I really like about this, even though this door is very heavy duty, it's got an automotive grade rubber to keep this thing sealed up tight. But even though the door is real heavy duty, we make it real simple to take off that door for installation purposes, okay? So we wanted to look at this a little bit different than just we've made for over 13 years, we've made really great transformers. So the technology, we know how to run the lights, but we wanted to build a better product and actually everything from your installation to your end users use of this thing. We want this thing to be first class. And so one of the things that we did is, besides the door coming off really easily, for the wire connections, we actually tilted this up. We wanted to give more space so that when you're putting the wires in here, that you have more hand space and it's easier to wire. So we wanted this to be very insulation friendly. The other thing we did on the bottom here is, you're gonna notice on the sides here, we got these screws. We actually made this an option that it was a real difficult install. The installer can actually take off the bottom plate. So I have friends that are in the landscaping business and they told me that normally they probably wouldn't take it off. They can probably install it no problem easily this way, but we give it as an option. The other thing you probably noticed on here too is the fact that we changed, instead of having the standard stamped knockouts that you have to knock out, the one thing that we did here is we put these rubber knockouts on here. So what's really nice about this is there's a couple things that could happen. First thing, the installer can knock out the wrong knockout. And what happens when that takes place, these things are really strong, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop that guy out. They knock out the wrong knockout and then they're stuck with this hole in here. So once this is open and they're not gonna use this hole, they can't replace that knockout with the other products on the market. We can replace all of these, and the problem that occurs if you don't replace them is dust can get in here, moisture can get in here, and even animals can get in here. So we thought it was really important to have something that's replaceable on here and forgiving for the installation. So really, really nice feature. The other thing too is when you do those knockouts, sometimes it warps the bottom here, and so when you just pop these out, the plate is clean and smooth, and so even when you put your connectors in here, it's gonna be flat against here. There's gonna be no chance of moisture or dust being able to get in there. So a really nice feature on there. So we do that on the bottom knockouts, and we actually even do it on here for the light sensor too. So if somebody, and we got a standard light sensor here, if somebody buys this with this and later on decides, hey, I want to go to wireless controls, well, they can take this out, they can put that back in there, and it's going to be able to maintain the integrity of the box. So those are some really nice features that we have for installation. The other thing that we have with this is the ability to put in a wide variety of different controls. And the thing we did with this product is we wanted this thing to be really durable for outdoor use. Of course, it's an outdoor product, but we noticed that a lot of products in the market were only NEMA 3R. We went the extra level and we went and certified this for IP65. So that's gonna keep the dust out of here and it's gonna keep all moisture out here. And in fact, it's gonna be almost like an indoor environment in here. So that really opens a different type of controls you can put in here that are actually cheaper because they're indoor rated. So you don't have to have an outdoor rated one in here. You can put it in here. I'll go ahead and plug this guy in here. So you can see that. So again, there's your standard cheap, really inexpensive timer on here. Or you can do something like this, which is your high-end Wi-Fi control in here too. And again, since dust isn't gonna get in here, moisture's not gonna get in here, you're gonna get longer life out of these controls. Of course, we want to have less callbacks. So we plug that in, and we're ready to go at that point. So, it's really important to us to make a more durable product, and we feel we did that with the Otter here. The last thing I want to show you right now is our surge protection. You can kind of see here, it's a little hard to see, but you can see there that we put this in here. This is an option on these boxes. And what's great about this is, a lot of times if you're going to put in type of surge protection, you try to cram a third-party unit in here, or you actually have to build a separate junction box to carry the surge protection. Ours is snap-in, real easy to snap it in here and add it to the unit. And this is a very robust power surge. It is actually ANSI Category C low. To give you an idea what that means is, this is similar to the same protection that's used for outdoor street lighting. So again, very robust. It's going to protect this product. So again, this is our Otter, brand new release, 150 and 300 watts. Gotta get that door right back on there. Oops. Close it up, safe and secure, IP65. We're proud to offer this to the market today.